If you've been thinking that maths creates their own problem, this is the topic. We can solve these problems easily. Square root 9 is equals to 3, square root 4 give you 2, square root 1 give you 1, and square root 0 give you 0. Now what about this? How are we going to square root a negative 1? Is it a maths error? So mathematicians defines that square root of negative 1 as I, which I stands for imaginary numbers, because maths imagining their own problems. Okay, so how are we going to calculate these imaginary numbers? Think of it as this way. Square root 4 times square root 4, which is simply square of a square root 4, will give you 4. So square root 2 times square root 2 equals to square of square root 2, which gives you 2. So from here we can see that any numbers, if I square root and I times by itself, I will get back the numbers what's inside the square root. Or simply squaring a square root, I will get back the numbers of what's inside. So by using the same concept, square root negative 1 times square root negative 1, or simply square a square root of negative 1, I will get back negative 1. Since we have defined that I is equals to square root of negative 1, so we can define square root of negative 1 times square root of negative 1 simply as I times I. So I squared give you negative 1. Now for you viewers, try this one. We know that I equals to square root negative 1, I squared as negative 1. What about I cubed and I to the power 4? I'll let you try. You may pause the video, or let's see the answers. So we can split them up, like I cubed is equals to I squared times I. I squared is negative 1, negative 1 times I is negative I. I to the power of 4, I can split it up as I squared times I squared. And I squared is equals to negative 1, so negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. To summarize, or simply, we can write down just simply as I squared as negative 1, I cubed as negative I, and I to the power of 4 equals to 1. Alright, that's all for now. Please follow, comment, share, like, and subscribe for more maths tips.